Welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we're going to be fitting these wind deflectors. A cheapish way of modifying your vehicle or making it look a bit more stylish, or if you just want to stick something to your van. This is a Ford Transit Connect 2011. It's my work van. Literally took me 5 minutes on each side to do each wind deflector. So carry on watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching, and watch it till the end. Thank you very much. So what I did once I'd opened the box is I offered the visor up to the door just to see where it would fit the best, and to make sure it was flat against the door as well, because these are self-adhesive. You need it as flat as possible against the door. Now obviously you don't want to block your sight to your mirrors and everything, so you need to be careful of where you put it. So yeah, obviously the door, it's best to do it by the rake of the eye, as I call it, and I tried it at the top. It didn't seem to follow the line of the door, so obviously I lowered it a bit to bring it down nearer to the glass, and it obviously looked better as well at that position. Once I was happy with the position, I used some thinners to clean off the area, because I want the adhesive to stick properly on the visor, because obviously you don't want it flying off when you're going down the road. Once I did that, I offered the visor back to the door, and I drew a pencil line around the top of it, just so that I had an idea of where to put it once I removed the adhesive. Again, using my eye to level it up against the top of the door and the side of the doors, so that it looked to be in the right place. And once I got the pencil line across, it was very thin, but on this white van you could just about see it anyway. So if you have a different coloured van, you might need to use something else, a different coloured pencil for instance, just to give you an idea of where to put it. So once it was marked up, I removed some of the strips at the back. I removed the bottom one, which is only a couple of inches long, and then I just remove a couple of inches at the top and leaving the rest on. Why I'm doing this is because when I put it onto the door, I can adjust it slightly if I need to, and I can remove a bit of the strip at a time, so that I can adjust the visor if it's in the wrong place. Pushing down as I'm going around and removing so that the adhesive sticks, and making sure it doesn't spring back off. Smoothing it off as well to make sure it's on correctly. Now it does help if you have a warm day for doing stuff like this, because it helps the adhesive stick. It makes it more malleable against the metal. This being a white van and a bit older, it's lost its shine a little bit along the way, so it does stick a lot better to the surface, because the lack has faded and everything. But once you get it on the door, it's fine. Now what I did was put some silicone around the top. I masked off the area so that it didn't get silicone over the van. It's just clear silicone. Clear silicone is a non-adhesive as well, so you could actually remove these if you wanted, these visors, and stick them back on with clear silicone if you wanted. But I did run some silicone around the top. This is just to make sure that the water and anything else runs off and away from the top of the visor. You don't want the water getting down in any of the gap at the top, and if it was to freeze, for instance, the ice would expand and it might crack your visor, or it might just fall off at some point. So there you go. These are how I fitted the visors to the door. No drilling, no screwing, just simple self-adhesive ones. Yes, you can remove them, however you may damage the paintwork on your vehicle by doing this, so it might be best just to leave them on. Leave that entirely up to you. But once again, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and continue to watch the videos. Thank you for watching.